everything else put away, secured, we're going to head up to the to the Pilot, Flying J, whatever it is. All right, like I was saying before, I was really interrupted by a dead battery. We're going to head back up to the Pilot here in exit 1, back inside Iowa. To await our next load. Man. If this little Chevy would actually stay in its own lane like it's supposed to. Oh well. Yeah, brilliant use of the stop sign there, knucklehead. Just stop behind the sign. Ugh. Potholes, 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 potholes. Bad freaking road. Like I said, so we get back up to this Pilot, see what I can do about this messed up tarp. See if I can't stretch it out and fold it up nice and neat and put it away. So let's get out of Omaha here. Now we are basically pretty close to the center of the continent, or center of the country. So we could go in any direction, you know, if we headed out to the coast in either direction, we'd have a pretty good start of the week. So we will see what the dispatch overseers have. Hopefully something that's, you know, 1,500 miles. Would be nice, but you know, we'll see what we can get. So it's about 5-6 miles back to the truck stop, and we will go from there. Ready. Alrighty. So we are here at the Pilot in Council Bluffs, right across the street from the Sapp brothers. And we just got sent our next load off, the load offer, taking us up to Valley, Nebraska, which is about 30 miles away, 35 miles away, to get a load out of there, taking that out to Glenwood Springs, Colorado. So basically about 820 miles total, or 700 some miles total. Let's see what this says here. Yeah, 720 miles, 725 miles, blah, 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 blah. Man, it's already 3:40 in the afternoon. Picks up tomorrow at 7 a.m. and delivers on the 21st. So we are pretty much done for the day right where we're at. Man, I wish I could have gotten done a little bit faster today. Could have gone and picked it up, but 7 a.m. tomorrow, we'll be picking up. I've always wanted to stop at Glenwood Springs, been past it many times, you know, going through the canyon. I wanted to stop there and visit there before I became a truck driver. But now I actually have a little opportunity to go see a little piece, a little part of it, I guess. So we're basically stuck here for the rest of the day. Not a whole lot getting accomplished. Working on video, whatnot. So we are going to see if we can't take advantage of it, of being here. See if we can't get a little trash thrown away, which I doubt. But we're definitely going to get ourselves a shower, and we are going to, you know, just try to have a good night, and go from there. So, Glenwood Springs, Colorado, there's not a whole lot of freight coming out of that area. So, I'm going to be, once I get there, I'm going to be deadheading somewhere. Most likely back to Denver. That's like I said, that's most likely heading to Denver. But you don't know until, you know, until it comes to pass. So but we'll see. Yeah, well, there's nothing you can do about it until it gets finalized. And I mean, I'm still waiting for the final info here anyway. So just enjoy the cold, the downtime. I'm gonna make some tuna salad for dinner tonight, and the next couple of days for lunch and dinner. And I'll be doing a video on you know, my recipe, which is not for everybody, but you know, being as it may. Yeah, so good night, Vienna. So sitting here in the bright sun, editing a little video. I'm working, this one is 146. Part 2 of All Trimmed Out, January 13th. And that's a whole lot of fun. But that's the way it is. I mean, just sitting here getting a little bit of the sunshine. Past couple days I haven't had a lot, so you know, just enjoying it while it lasts. Like I said. So I'll grab my my load tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Push on pretty, you know, as far as I can for the day, which would be about 500 miles. I mean, I'm pushing at least to Denver at the minimum, and then you know, see where we get, you know, to our delivery the next day. If we can deliver a little bit early, that'd be perfect, but we will do what we can. All right. I wish people would learn how to do a job. This is the second time this has been welded. Just pile up the bead, just pile it up, pile it up, pile it up. Why is it so hard to properly do this? I don't get it. Immediately after, you know, it's been what, 2.5 weeks since, you know, 2 weeks since I've been to Tulsa and had that fixed. Shouldn't be that way. So we're going to go in and grab a shower. All right.
You get it? You get it? All right, man. Let's go.
All right, initial impressions. Floor is pretty clean. Vents are okay. Fan could use just a tiny wipe down, but not too bad. Wet towel left in the shower like it shouldn't have been. But everything else